You need interested prospects, but getting them is hard work. It's a huge drain of energy and time talking to people who don't want or aren't sure if they want to hear from you. And time really is money. Top earning salespeople and successful recruiters don't have time to waste. Announcing Leadclicker, the hottest, most powerful solution to generate new leads that are already qualified and interested in what you have to offer. Just click, name your campaign, type in who you want to sell to by using keywords like real estate broker or sales manager. Edit the messages you want to send to them. Choose how long you want to send the messages for, and watch your calendar fill up with hot leads. People that are actually very interested to talk to you. Here's the most shocking part. When you close some of those leads, Leadclicker gets smarter by finding more leads just like those ones that just bought from you. And it keeps getting smarter. Using IBM Watson, it analyzes everything your leads have in common and filters through millions of different data points. Not just age and demographics, but psychographics. Exactly who your ideal client is, how they like to be talked to, what they think about, how, why, and when they prefer to make buying decisions. How your best clients use words actually reveals a lot about their personality. Powerful companies and agencies have been using this for many years already to figure out who a person is just from a few lines of written text. But now we've put that same incredible power in your hands to make more sales and save tons of time. Now you can use the same neurolinguistic, big data, and heuristic analysis to automatically figure out who exactly your ideal customer is, and critically, who they aren't. Leadclicker will search the entire internet to find your best prospects and what they have in common, delivering you the perfect prospect. How much easier is it to close people who already want to buy from you? Pretty exciting, isn't it? It's a fact. Amateurs will waste their energy presenting to anyone, but professionals save their energy to only present to the right prospects and close way more deals and have the time and money to really make things happen. Just enter your email in the box on the right and you'll be given 14 days of 100% free and full access to generate hundreds or thousands of new leads on AI-assisted autopilot. You'll be up and running in just a few minutes with our incredibly easy startup process. It's just a few clicks. Join now and we'll see you on the other side in a minute.